What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video.
So today's video is going to be on how one-day handling time has benefited us.
Yes.
Yes.
So we're going to cut this intro and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin, we're a reselling couple, we do thrifting, retail arbitrage, we've been documenting y'all for the past 6 months now, so you should definitely check out all of our videos, and you get a good laugh out of it as well. So today we're going to be talking about, we started doing one-day shipping and how it's benefited us, and maybe it can benefit you guys as well. So Kristina's got a whole thing written out for you guys, like usual. So let's get right into it.
So the reason that we did one-day handling time for our shipping is we wanted to qualify for top-rated seller status for all of our listings. So that's really the main reason why we chose to do it, but we've seen lots of benefits from that.
Yes.
So the first benefit really has helped us get a lot more sales.
Yeah.
We've seen, since we've done that, we've seen an increase in like 2 to 3 sales per day now.
Literally, yeah. I'll be going to the post office one time, and then I'll go back like an hour later and they'll be like, what are you doing here? I'm like, more sales.
Yep.
That's happened twice now.
So that's definitely a really big perk, is making more sales.
Yeah.
Then number 2, it really has just put us into gear. It really has like cracked down on us and made sure that we get everything out on time now. We're really more involved in just our shipping and everything. Like before, we kind of like let it build up till we had 5 sales or whatever, as long as it was in the correct handling time, and then got it out. But now we're like, we need to get this out, we need to get this out, we need to get it out. Like we need to make sure that it doesn't fall into the late shipment rate or anything. So it really has just kicked our butts into gear and made sure that we stayed on top of things.
And we really like that. We're enjoying it because it's a lot harder, but it's like we said, we like that it's kicking us into gear.
Plus, it's just like, it's cool for us because then we can see how many sales we're making a day.
Exactly,
you know, like 3 times during the day we've had to run to the post office. That's awesome because that's 3 sales that we've had today, you know. So. And
then just the people at the post office see us literally every day now. So it's so much better.
Yeah, we've become friends with them almost.
Literally.
And then number 3 is that we qualified for top-rated seller status on our listing. So like we said, we did use it to qualify for it, but you don't always automatically get qualified, but our listings qualified for it, and we got the top-rated seal and everything, so that's really cool. So that's another benefit for us. It just makes your listing look a lot more official. And then finally, a lot more feedback.
Yes, we've been getting so much more feedback since.
So,
fast shipping. Just everybody's been saying fast shipping.
Yep, which is awesome, and it's good for obviously your other buyers to see that you have fast shipping if they don't notice that you have one-day handling time or something. So it's good for that to be on your account. And plus, I'm pretty sure with one-day handling time or same-day handling time, you automatically get a 5-star thing in your shipping feedback. So no matter what else they want to say, you still get 5 stars for that. So that's really awesome. Yeah. So that was our benefits. That's what we've noticed from doing it. So it might help you guys. Maybe you guys have been making the decision, have been wondering the decision if you should do your 3 days, 2 days, or 1 day. We honestly think 1 day, if you have the time and you can do it and you can keep up on it, do 1 day handling. Your sales will increase, like we promise you. And I can say that Dominic, the primetime treasure hunter, has 1 day handling time on his, and he has a full-time job outside of this, and he can do it. So if he can do it, anybody can do it.
Yeah. So that was our video, guys. We hope you guys enjoyed. We started doing 1 day shipping about a week ago. Yeah. So it's been going pretty great. So we'll keep you guys more updated on that when we have more updates, but that was the benefits so far that we've noticed. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment down below if you got any questions or if you want to share any love. And if you're new to this channel, you should definitely consider subscribing. We've got daily content coming out every day, so you won't get bored with us. So yeah, have a good day, guys. Go crush it. Peace. Susan. You don't hear the news?
Wow, I literally must have just missed her.
What are we talking about? Oh, one-day shipping.
Yes, I have.
Okay. What's going on, YouTube?